craftsmen here at Bisca don't fear anything. In fact, if there's something new, that's what excites them.
And they asked me what I wanted to do when I was growing up. I said I wanted to dig up dinosaurs. So things have changed quite a lot.
Learning to be a blacksmith is great because it's limitless. It's just, you can let your creativity run, the different materials. It's very inspiring moving hot metal around.
Just being able to make something totally unique to what anyone else is producing on the market. No two things are exactly the same. It's got full of character. It's nice to do something that's like age old and one of the oldest jobs in the world.
I think when people visit Bisca, they are surprised at the level of detail and craftsmanship that goes into their project. They visit the design studio and see 6 people working away on very high-spec computers, 3D modelling. They're working in partnership with the guys in the workshop.
And it's good to be able to work with the design room because it's bringing 2 totally different elements and ages together and making something completely unique. They're amazed by the forge and the temperature it's at and the size of it. There's not many forges that size. There's not many people doing handcrafting staircases from scratch from a billet of metal anymore.
The power hammers we've got here at Bisca have all got a history. There's 3, all different sizes, so it's wonderful to have old industrial pieces that have been brought back to life and are used on modern materials in modern design.
Bisca's unique because I suppose they're really pushing the staircase forefront. Like, there's not many other companies that are doing what we do. Everything is like truly Yorkshire made and handcrafted.
They get passion, they get fantastic design, they get craftsmanship, they get wonderful service, and they get a commission that they'll love and cherish and enjoy for the rest of their life.